Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept geometry and think smart. For this you can refer our textbook page number 103 and 105. Okay. What comes next in each pattern? Tick the correct shape on the right. Okay. If you observe the smiley faces given, one is smiling and one is not smiling. And again another one is smiling and the next one is not smiling. If you observe this pattern, what will come in the next? This last smiley is smiley face, right? Is having smiley face. So next one will be without smiley face. Which one is having that? This one. So let us tick that one. Look at the following patterns. Draw the next two shapes in each of the following. Okay. There is some pattern in the given figures. Draw the next two shapes in each of the following. Next two shapes we need to identify and we need to draw. First one is having a circle and two lines diagonally, right? Like this you are having. And the next one, this is the next figure. And again the same figure was repeated. First figure was repeated. And here second figure was repeated, right? And first figure, and now you will get the second figure. Right? And what about the next one? Again first figure. Okay? Like this you have to complete the pattern. And the next question is, complete the pattern. Here if you observe, triangle is there and for that you have added one more triangle. In the next pattern one more was added. 1, 2 are there and here 3 triangles and here 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Now we need to add one more. Then 5 triangles will be there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. In the next one flower is there and in the next one flower petal was removed. In the next figure 2 flower petals were removed. In the next one 3 flower petals were removed. Here 4 flower petals were removed and now in the next figure you will have only 1 flower petal. 5 petals you have to remove. Then there will be left with only 1 petal for this flower. This is the last step of our pattern. Okay, right. And the next one, what are the missing shapes in the boxes? You must have all the 4 shapes in each row and column. See, here if you observe, there should be some missing faces in this grid. What are those missing faces? Missing figures you need to identify. What is the shape? Circle, triangle, half circle or semicircle and square. Here if you observe, one semicircle is there, one triangle is there. I can fill this grid with square and here I can fill with circle, right? Let me fill this square and here circle, because in this row you are having circle. So I cannot fill this grid with circle. So I am filling this last grid with circle. So this entire column was completed. And if you observe in the next one, circle and square are there, right? Circle and square are there means what are remaining? Triangle and semicircle was remained. Triangle is already there. So I will draw semicircle here. And then in the next one what is left? Triangle. Okay. Now what you will do? Here 3 figures were already done. So what is the 4th one? Semicircle, circle, triangle. So what is left? Square. So let us draw square. Okay. And here if you observe, which a semicircle is there, a triangle is there. What are remained? Here you have to take one circle and one square. Here already square is there. So I am drawing a circle. And here I can consider a square. And coming to the second row, a square is there and a semicircle is there. Square is already there and semicircle is there. And here in the third row you are having a circle. And here you are having a square. So what figures you can take there? You can consider a triangle here and a circle here. Right? So square, circle and triangle are already filled. So what is remained here? One semicircle should be there. And here semicircle, square, circle are there. What is left? Triangle. Okay children, like this you have to think and you have to answer complete the grid along with the given shapes. How many shapes are there with you? Only 4 shapes. You have to consider those 4 shapes only and complete the grid. Okay children, hope you understood the session. Thank you.